What's going on YouTube? This is going to be a quick unboxing and review of the Zerolemon 10000 milliamp hour battery case for the Note 9. They've had these cases for a whole bunch of devices before. They had one for the Note 8 in two different varieties. They had the 10,000 milliamp hour one, and they had the 5,500 milliamp hour one. The 10,000 milliamp hour for the Note 8 was a little bit flimsy. It kind of looked ridiculous, but they've completely changed the design for the Note 9, even though it's got a pretty big battery, but you know, nobody will ever say no to a little bit more battery. So you get your typical pouch from Zerolemon with the Ziploc on it. Just gonna open this up over here. And inside you got, sorry about this, trying to do this with one hand. You got this little box over here with some particulars, you know, telling you what to do and what not to do with the battery. And open it up. Inside we've got some packaging with the bubble wrap. And wow, this looks really nice. So you've got your Zerolemon Zero Defect card. I believe this is the warranty card information as to if there's any issue with it. Put this to the side. We got your 12 months extended warranty. Make sure you hang on to this because they are pretty good with their warranty replacements. And your instruction manual. You can kind of flip through that yourself if you want. We'll just do a quick overview of the case, then I'll pause the video and I'll put it on my Note 9 over here. You can see this is definitely a thick case. There's no ands, ifs, or buts about it. But if you got pretty big hands like I do, I mean, this is going to be fantastic. You know, just being able to hold on to your phone a little bit better. You got the cutout in the back over there where your fingerprint will go, and your camera with the dual lens. And at the bottom, you can see you have your USB Type-C USB Type-C charger, headphone jack, and then also a nice, generous cutout for your S Pen. So what I'll do is let me just pause this really quickly over here, and then we'll pick it up once I put it on the phone. Alright, so we're back. I've got the case on my phone over here. As you can see, it definitely adds quite a bit of bulk to the phone. But again, you're getting this because you want to have like significant amount of extra battery for your phone. You've got nice generous cutouts over here. Reach the fingerprint sensor is not too bad. It is relatively recessed, but you know, it's not too bad at all. The power buttons are nice and flush to the side of the case, so it's relatively easy to click it on and click it off. And the nice thing is also with this is that Bixby button is not protruding as much as it does if you just have like a regular OEM style case from Samsung or whatever. You really cannot press it accidentally, and you can't invoke Bixby by accident. Obviously the main feature of this case is that round back. You've got your battery indicator. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Boom, pops on. And you can see up top over here that my phone's definitely charging. So 10,000 milliamp hours, you know, you're getting like 2.5 extra charges. You know, the Note 9's got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery inside of it, so you know, you'll have plenty of juice. You know, probably could go for 3.5 days at the very least with this over here. You see you got your S Pen down there, and like I said, really generous cutout. It's not difficult at all to take the S Pen out. At any rate, that's been my quick little unboxing and review of this case over here. It's definitely got a nice build quality to it. Would recommend for anybody who you know, puts their phone through heavy wear and tear on the battery and likes to you know, not be tethered to that wall outlet all the time. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.